Pick a card, any card. Is it sticky?
No.
Well then, I guess you're just going to have to attach it to my body with a staple gun. Here's the staple gun.
I don't think I can do this.
I want you to place it right in the middle of the card and staple right next to my heart. And let's do one on my six-pack abs. One in the shoulder.
Ew.
Get a close-up of the staple. You can see it's really in there. I'll go ahead and take the staple gun. Now the real magic to this card trick is that I can turn any card into a face card.